and today we're going to show you how to receive products from your wholesaler to LSPedia. So the first step is to log into your OneScan login, and the next step is you have to go to Edge, then go to Receive, and then you're going to see the barcode option over here. Then you're going to grab your scanner, and there are two ways to do this. How I do it is I scan the barcode that's outside the tote, and it's under DPT. Another way to scan your products is just by scanning individual barcodes, and it has to be this 2D barcode right here. You just scan it. You can see here all the data. That's when you hit receive and it's in your system.